Let us now look at financial abuse. The definition is, where one person, usually a family member or close person, has formed control over the other person's access to financial resources, which reduces their capability to provide for themselves, forcing them to rely on the other person financially. Everyone has the right to their own money, property that is legally theirs, and personal possessions. This type of abuse relates to vulnerable adults and victims of domestic violence. Examples of this are personal money, possessions, entitlements, being borrowed, withdrawn without consent, withholding of funds, stopping the person from purchasing things they need or paying for activities, the misuse of money, possessions, property without their consent, for example, change of name of property, loans being taken out, items being purchased in the vulnerable adult's name, pressurized into signing financial documents, allowing another person to act on your behalf, for example, the formation of a will, property purchase, and/or beneficiary of financial assets. Behavioral indicators can be confusion, unable to recall purchases when questioned by family, carer, or believe they may have mislaid money but can't be sure where, etc. Constantly looking for things, going through receipts in their purse, belongings. Scared, anxious when certain people are around. Unable to pay bills, whereas previously bills were always paid on time. Unable to explain where their money, benefits have gone, particularly after payment date. Concealment of bank statements, receipts, jewelry and other personal valuables. Reluctance of those in control of finances to replace much-needed comforts, clothing, equipment. Pressured into answering questions relating to finances and lack of interest in their care and well-being. Physical indicators can be disarray in a person's home, room, suggestion of someone going through belongings, unexplained bruises to the wrists, face, other places of the body, shaken, scared, anxious in contrast to their previous happy, calm nature. Factors that increase the risks of financial abuse to a vulnerable adult. Due to lack of mental capacity, the vulnerable adult is unable to control own finances. They live on their own and are at risk of bogus callers to the home, salespersons, loan companies. The person is already financially dependent on other people to control their money.